Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm gonna sit here and attempt to make my own cold air intake for the DNA 2020 Hyundai Sonata Turbo. Nobody has one out there yet, so we're gonna make one ourselves, which I think should work. So stay tuned, and we're gonna see what happens. Okay, this is what we have today. We have our clamps, our K&N filter, and our carbon fiber filter shield. It's like a heat shield that goes over the air filter. And here goes my baby. 2020 Hyundai Sonata Turbo. This is the DNA model, 8th gen. And let's see what we can do. Now this is the stock air box. So this is what I was saying, where you have the hose or after, or really before the mass air sensor. So we could basically eliminate this and put a filter on here, and it should be good. You have your forced induction right here. It goes right down in. Okay, so first we're going to take off this forced air duct, which is very easy. This is two little pop-in plugs. That comes right on out. Then you need a 10mm socket to be able to get these two bolts on the box out. Excuse me. And then the clamp. So loosen that up just a little bit so we can pull this box out. Go. Now what we have to do is take this sensor off, and this throttle, basically the mass air sensor with the throttle body. Well, not the throttle body, but it's the mass air sensor. We got to take that off, and then we're going to connect that to the filter. Now I already took the bolts out, so the two bolts, this whole piece comes off. And there's your sensor right there inside. It has markers on here which one's airflow, so that way you don't put it on backwards. So now we're going to hook it up to the filter. Now the filter I went with, because I already did the measurement on the sensor inlet, is 3-inch. I didn't know it came with the clamp already, so we're going to use the clamp that it came with. And see what happens, go from there. Alright, we got it on. very snug fit, but it's on there. So now we just got to clamp this down nice and tight, then reattach this part, plug up the mass air sensor, and let's see what happens. So it's in now. So I'm about to do the first start and see what happens. Little check engine lights. Let's give it some revs. Everything seems to be good. Of course, we have to take it out for a test drive, open it up a little bit, but everything seems to be fine. All right, we just officially installed our cold air intake, so we are done. Very simple, very easy. Everything seems to be fine. We'll take it out on a couple test runs and everything, but if you want to do your own, very simple. This is how you do it. Thank you for coming by. Hit the like button if you do. Subscribe. Till next time. Well, test run 1 in the sport mode. Traction off. Let's go. See how this intake and stuff feels. Any difference? Running strong, running good. No check engine light. So that completes the first test. I think everything is going to be good. Until next time.